Good morning, I'm Alice from the HR consultancy team. My team has been engaged to assess IT business's current organizational position and define a clear path forward. While the company has a strong base in customized software solutions, the global tech landscape is shifting quickly. Competitors are innovating faster, expanding globally, and raising expectations for adaptability and performance. Without meaningful transformation, IT business risks losing relevance, talent, and long-term growth. In response, the executive leadership team has set a renewed vision to position IT business as a leader in customized software solutions through inclusive innovation. Today, we'll present an evidence-based change strategy designed to support that vision and prepare the organization for sustainable competitive growth.
To support IT business through its strategic transformation, our group will use Kata's 8-step model of change. This model is highly relevant because IT business is facing increasing global competition and needs to improve innovation, collaboration, and employee engagement across its international offices. As the organization is changing both its strategy and culture, a structured change approach is important. We propose a revised vision focused on positioning IT business as a leader in customized software solutions. Kata's model helps guide this transformation by creating urgency around market purchases, building leadership support, communicating a clear vision, and empowering employees through involvement and training. It also helps the organization create momentum and embed long-term cultural change. Building on this framework, Ramika will now explain how these steps can be applied in practice within IT business.
As Frederick mentioned earlier, Kata's model provides a clear framework for how IT business can implement this change in practice. Starting with urgency, this means helping employees recognize what is happening in industry, including increasing competition, new technologies, and rising client expectations. The next step is handling a strong team to lead the change. This means making sure the change is not handled only by senior management but also involves leaders, managers, and employees from different teams and office locations. Communication is also important. The vision should not stay as just a document. It should be regularly communicated through meetings, leadership updates, training sessions, and internal platforms. The model also focuses on empowerment. Employees should be supported through training, involvement in decision making, and by removing barriers that may limit innovation or new ideas. Finally, short-term wins are important, such as success of small projects or improvement in customer feedback. With that, the implementation aspect is covered, and Dora will now continue by discussing the outcomes and how the change can be sustained long-term.
Hi, I'm Dora. To support its strategic transformation, IT business should strengthen an ethical and inclusive culture that promotes fairness, respect, and employee voice. According to Edgar Shin's organizational culture model, culture consists of 3 levels: artifact, espouse value, and basic underlying assumption. This means that diversity and inclusion should not only be reflected in IT business policy, but also embedded in its core value and organization behaviors. At the team level, psychological safety encourages employees to speak up and share diverse ideas, strengthening collaboration and continuous learning. So IT business should create a psychologically safe workplace to make employees feel better. Ethical leadership promotes fairness, transparency, and inclusive decision-making, while respect for diversity, equality, and dignity creates a stronger sense of belonging that enhances innovation and productivity. By embedding this practice into everyday work, IT business can build a stronger culture and achieve sustainable long-term performance. Let's move on to the next part. Abisha will suggest some recommendations for IT business.
Thank you, Jora. To bring everything together, our group has 2 clear recommendations for IT business moving forward. Recommendation 1, Ethnical Leadership Development Program. IT business should implement a mandatory ethnical leadership development program for all managers. This means quarterly workshops focused on ethnical decision-making, transparent communication, and fair treatment across all international offices. Brown and Trivano 2006 found that ethnical leadership must be actively role modeled throughout an organization, not just assumed. This directly builds employee trust and engagement at every level of management. Recommendation 2, Structured Workplace Inclusion Framework. IT business should introduce a structured workplace inclusion framework. This means formal inclusion, onboarding, cultural awareness workshops, and designated inclusion champions in every team. Shore and Colleges 2011 established that employee must feel both valued and a genuine sense of belonging to truly thrive. Together, these recommendations move IT business closer to its vision of leading through inclusive innovation, creative a workplace where ethnical leadership and diverse perspectives drive sustainable and competitive growth. Thank you.